So we've had this air fryer from Emeril Lagasse for about a year now, and I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys an update. We're going to make some French fries and some little sausage links in the air fryer, dual-sided, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this works. So let's go ahead and push them in. Cleaning wise, it is one of the easier air fryers to actually clean that we've owned. We've had a few different Emeril Lagasse air fryers, and we've loved them so far. This one's definitely a major improvement. It's got the 2 zones, so I can just go ahead and turn it on by pressing any button. Then I can set the temperatures that I want for each zone and then go ahead and hit start. I'm gonna say for these French fries, we want to be a bit crunchier, right? So about 420. And then for the sausage, maybe 410. Those have preset settings here, but what I'll say is that I pretty much exclusively keep it on air fry. Here works especially well for pretty much everything that we do. Vegetables, proteins, carbs, etc. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like whenever this is done. Check up with you in a second. All right, we're back. We got the alligator oven mitt, and we're gonna go ahead and see what these look like. Nice and crispy golden French fries, just like they make them at your favorite restaurants. Super crispy, super delicious every time. Very, very consistent. So we're doing breakfast right now. Put some potatoes on the side, some fries on the side. And then here's the sausage. So overall, looks really, really good. I might pop them back in, give them a little bit longer at a higher temp. What's really nice is you've got adjustable levels here on the racks, so you can put it closer to the top and you can get more of a broil effect. So I can just put it back in here, close the door. I can go ahead and take these out. And then we can go ahead and restart this side. And now only that side's gonna run, so it's not actually gonna heat on this side, it's only gonna heat on this side over here. And there we go. Got a beautiful breakfast. We did the fries and the sausage together in the air fryer, all in about 18-ish minutes total. And overall, really excited to try this, and I'm sure it tastes amazing as ever. I already snuck a fry, super crispy, super delicious. Guys, I hope you enjoy this as much as I do and as much as my family has. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.